Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious banana bread recipe, step by step. First, gather your ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, 1½ cups of flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and half a cup of melted butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, mash those ripe bananas in a bowl until they are mostly smooth, but a few small lumps are perfectly fine. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 1½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Once combined, add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture. Stir gently until everything is just blended. Remember, overmixing can lead to a tough loaf, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Now, pour your prepared batter into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the pan from the oven and let the banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, once your banana bread has cooled, slice it up and enjoy your delicious homemade treat. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to keep it fresh. And hey, while you're enjoying your fresh bake, don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.